More and more companies want to apply the advantages of lithium-ion batteries to internal logistics processes for forklifts and warehouse equipment. How do lithium-ion batteries maintain performance in cold and fluctuating temperatures? We came to Ferrero's chocolate factory customer to investigate the use of our BSLBATT 51.2V 690 Ah forklift battery after 1 year. The use environment is low-temperature refrigeration. The temperature is -25 to -30 degrees, and the forklift is replaced every 45 minutes. The battery is in good condition after 1 year of use. No fault codes, no problems during use. Previously, their lead-acid forklift batteries would often lose power during a shift or stop working due to temperature fluctuations between freezing and hot delivery environments. BSLBATT lithium forklift batteries are designed to withstand these challenges. We have advanced features: aviation waterproof plugs for communication, pressure relief valves, sealing gaskets, built-in insulation, desiccant, silica gel, etc., so that the battery effectively prevents moisture ingress and thermal shock. Push-to-start feature. This clever feature acts like a safety backup when you forget to charge or the battery suddenly runs low while lifting something. Able to be used in the range of high temperature +55°C and low temperature -35°C. Integrated battery heater, no low temperature capacity loss. Ensures battery flexibility in fluctuating temperatures to ensure stable battery performance. 1 hour fast charging can be achieved in the cold storage area, and the battery performance can be maintained at temperatures down to -40 degrees below zero. Forklifts never leave the freezer, and pallet trucks can be charged in refrigerated trailers, so the risk of condensation is minimized. When the temperature of the battery is -20 degrees, the battery cannot be charged. How does the heating plate heat the battery to above 0 degrees before charging can begin? The battery can be charged when it warms to 0 degrees Celsius. Don't let the cold weather slow you down. Choose BSLBATT lithium forklift battery for reliable performance in any environment, providing a stable and efficient use experience.